Hi, this is Melanie Fine with Chem in 10, and today we're going to talk about converting between atoms or molecules and mass. So let's look at a sample problem. How many atoms are in 36 grams of bromine? We want to know how many atoms, and we're given 36 grams. The only way we're going to be able to figure this out is if we know how many moles 36 grams of bromine are, because we know for every mole there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. So to go from grams to atoms, we need to go from grams to moles and then moles to atoms. Go from grams to moles, we go to the periodic table and we look for bromine, and we see that bromine has a molar mass of 79.9 grams per mole, which means that every mole of bromine weighs 79.9 grams. Since we have 36 grams of bromine, we have less than a mole. We also know that every mole contains 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. So since we have less than a mole of bromine, we're going to have fewer than 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. We'll set it up as follows. We'll do question mark wanted, question mark atoms of bromine is equal to 36 grams of bromine dot line. To cancel out grams of bromine, we're going to put the molar mass of bromine in grams in the denominator, which is equal to 1 mole of bromine in the numerator, and grams of bromine cancel out. To convert moles to atoms, we're going to multiply by the conversion factor. 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. Notice that moles cancel out and we're left with atoms as our units. We multiply the numerators together and divide by the denominators, and we get 2.7 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of bromine, which is less than a mole, because a mole would be 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. I hope you enjoyed this video. To get your free copy of my Amazon #1.com's best-selling book, Solving Mole Problems, go to purplestoic.com. Thank you, and I'll see you on the other side.